In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop receiving email notifications from Asana. This tutorial is perfect for anyone who's been feeling overwhelmed by a constant stream of updates and wants a bit of peace and quiet. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to manage your Asana settings like a pro. First things first, you'll need to go to the Asana login page. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in appasana.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the login interface. Enter your email address in the designated field. This should be the email linked to your Asana account. It's important to use the correct email to avoid any login issues. After you've entered your email, click on the continue button to proceed to the next step, which is entering your password. Make sure you input your password carefully. If you happen to have multiple passwords saved for different services, double check to ensure you're using the right one for Asana. Once you're certain everything is correct, click on the login button and you'll be directed straight to your Asana homepage. From there, look towards the top right corner of your Asana interface. You'll notice a small photo or icon of some sort representing your profile. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. You'll see various options here, but what you're looking for is settings. Go ahead and click on settings to open your user settings panel. Now that you're in the settings panel, you'll want to navigate to the notifications tab. This tab is specifically designed to help you manage how Asana communicates with you, including those pesky email notifications. Click on notifications and then proceed to the subsection labeled email notifications. Here's where you can take control. You'll see a list of different types of email notifications. Simply uncheck the boxes of any email categories you wish to stop receiving. Whether it's task updates, reminders, or something else, you have the freedom to choose which notifications are most important to you and which ones you can do without. There's no need to worry about manually saving your changes. Asana takes care of that for you. Any changes you make here will be automatically saved. Once you've unchecked the notifications that you no longer want to receive, you can exit out of the settings and you're done, and that's it. You've now successfully adjusted your email notification settings in Asana, making it a bit easier to concentrate on what truly matters to you without unnecessary distractions. So whether you are managing one project or several, these adjustments will help you maintain focus and clarity. Thank you for watching today's tutorial.